No paintbrush needed. This is how you press a masterpiece. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing you how to use a plate press attachment on the 16-in-1 heat press machine to create customized plates with a professional finish. Let's go. The 16-in-1 comes with multiple attachments, and the plate press is like a hidden feature that few people know about. For this you'll need the flat base at the bottom and the round heating element on top. Use your non-stick Teflon sheet to protect the surface and attach your power cable before turning the machine on. For most ceramic plates and heating transfer paper, I recommend setting the temperature to 180 to 200 degrees with light to medium pressure for around 120 to 170 seconds. The machine comes with default settings, so be sure to test a sample plate first. This helps ensure strong adhesion without damaging the plate's surface. Here's our blank plate, and this is the printed design on the heat transfer paper. We're centering it on the plate's surface and using heat-resistant tape to hold it securely in place during the press. Place the plate carefully on the lower attachment and lower the upper heating element. Make sure the pressure is firm but not excessive. When the timer beeps, the magnetic lock will release and the machine will lift automatically. Carefully remove the tape and remove the transfer paper. And there it is, a vibrant, personalized plate ready to be displayed or gifted. And that's how you press a custom plate using the 16-in-1 heat press machine. It's perfect for special events or any type of gift. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.